Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pause all new notifications on the Instagram mobile app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account and select your profile icon on the bottom right to open up your profile page. Once you are here, you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner to open up settings. And then select the notifications button. Should be a little bell icon next to it. And then where it says pause all underneath push notifications, you can toggle this to the right to enable it. And you can select any interval between 15 minutes and 1 hour, again, depending on your preference, how long you want it to be paused for. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.